Lauren Gray is an American singer and social media personality from Pottstown, Pennsylvania, who is signed to Virgin Records and Capitol Records. She is also host of her own Snapchat show Glow Up. Lauren Gray joined TikTok in 2015. She has a half-sister named Jordan. She dated Ian Jeffrey from late 2018 to early 2019. In 2020, she began dating DYSN. After gaining a large following on TikTok in 6th grade, she began to get bullied at school. She eventually moved to Los Angeles and grew her other social media platforms. Her interest in music and knowledge of popular trends is showcased in her videos and the content she creates for TikTok. In 2017, she appeared in English pop singer HRVY's music video for Personal. Lauren has a strong presence and a level-headed, insightful temperament. She is deeply interested in music and has an instinctive musical sense. In February 2020, Gray was featured in the music video for Taylor Swift's The Man. She releases her single Alone on July 21, 2020. She has been featured by Teen Vogue and Seventeen magazine. In 2016, she received award nominations at the People's Choice Awards, the Teen Choice Awards and the VMA. Gray was featured on Lost King's single Ain't Everything, released on January 11, 2019. On May 17, 2019, Lauren Gray released a new single titled Can't Do It, featuring American rapper Sweaty. It marks her first single as a lead artist to feature another artist. After taking almost a year break from releasing songs, she released a new single titled Cake on May 13, 2020. According to Billboard, she is one of the top 10 music influencers on TikTok with over 46.5 million followers. In March 2018, Grace signed a record deal with Virgin Records before releasing her debut single My Story in August, which she says is based on a friend who kept falling in love with the wrong people. In November 2018, she released her second single, Kick You Out.